Types of modern warfare. Land warfare. Boots on the ground. Soldiers, tanks, and artillery. Physical territory matters. Traditional strategies still exist. Humans still fight face-to-face, sometimes. Air warfare. Dominance from the sky. Fighter jets, drones, and missiles. Quick strikes, precision attacks. Control the sky equals control the battlefield. Air power multiplies impact instantly. Cyber warfare. Invisible but deadly. Hackers target systems silently. Data breaches, critical infrastructure attacks. AI detects and prevents threats. Modern wars are increasingly digital. Space warfare. Control beyond Earth. Satellites for surveillance and communication. Early missile detection. Emerging battles in orbit. The final frontier is now a battlefield. Understanding the types of modern warfare is the first step in staying aware.